and welcome to my channel. My name is Carrie, and in today's video I'm going to be cleaning and decorating my house for Halloween. And for starters, I just got this brand new entry table, which is from Amazon. And so when I got home from TJ Maxx and Marshalls, we just set a bunch of stuff up that we got here. So I just wanted to show you some of the goodies that we found. I got this super cute wool garland, and these were from Marshalls and they were $12.99. And I know that some other people said it was pretty slim pickings out there for Halloween this year, and so these were the only two that I found. It was pretty minimal at my stores as well. And then I found this super cute Halloween themed gingerbread house that lights up, and I just love having accent lights all around the house, especially if we have guests staying with us, and just for the kids, like a little night light, and it just makes it feel cozy and festive. So I really like this, even though it does have a piece broken off. It's really not that noticeable, and I just loved it so much. And I think it was originally around $16 from Marshalls. And then I found this beautiful pumpkin at TJ Maxx. I actually thought at first it was a candy dish, so I was drawn to it because of that, but it's actually a candle and it smells really, really good. And then I wanted some old looking books to look like spell books, but I actually found this piece also at TJ Maxx, which is actually a box, and so I put some Reese's pumpkins in there, and it's like the kids' little secret Halloween stash. And then I just wanted to show you guys too that I changed things here in the entryway, since the first thing you see is the sign and then the black dining room, and I previously had blue here, so I moved that into another room that it matches. And I got this black and white welcome pillow from Hobby Lobby and added this plant here instead of the one that was here, and I think it just flows much better with the rest of the entryway. But anyway, I wanted to get started on getting this area done, and so I had my husband hang this mirror, and it had been sitting in storage for a while, so it just needed to be cleaned, and I wanted to get this space prepped for all the decorations. To get started, I'm putting down this runner that I found at Target, and it's super cute. It has like ravens and skulls and bats on it. And then I just brought out this lamp that we've had for a really long time, but we weren't using it. So I have the other matching one in the next room, and so I just brought it out here. And then I do apologize because all of a sudden things just appeared. But I had this vision for this table to be like a Dia de los Muertos theme, and I just didn't really have enough stuff to fill it out, so I completely reworked what I had planned, and I love the way it came out, but I ended up putting all my Dia de los Muertos stuff in the other room. I also bought this amazing painting that I think I'm going to keep up all year round because it's just my style. I love it, and it's in that room as well, so it all ended up coming together the way it should. I'm just also going to hide this little scent pouch in this basket down here with an orange pillow and a cream colored blanket to balance the orange candles on the other side of the table and give it a really cozy feel. And then I put the red glass pumpkin over with a sweater pumpkin I had on the other side of the table. And then I got the candlesticks from Hobby Lobby last fall, or the candle holders rather. And then I also found this Hocus Pocus candle, which I had to get because it's my favorite Halloween movie. And then my husband and I painted the skull at a pottery painting place. And I just put like a little fake plant in there for some greenery. also ended up adding a little fall pumpkin pillow that was gifted to me at an October event that I did, and it matches perfectly in this little space. And I also got a pumpkin candle and a little plate, which I'm using as a catch-all tray for this table. I switched out my usual one, and then my kids also added their little touch with their Halloween artwork here as well. Moving into the living room, which just needed a good clean, and I kept it really minimal in here and did more of a fall vibe instead of Halloween, with just some stems, pumpkins, and candles. And then you'll see I brought that blue home pillow over from the Entryway, and I got that from Home Goods. And I'm cleaning everything today with a Swiffer duster and a Norwex e-cloth. And I like the Norwex because it's free from harsh chemicals and it makes cleaning super easy and quick. I can just go from surface to surface and just wring it out as needed. And if you want to know any of the other products I'm using, I'll post everything in the description box down below. The last room I'm going to work on tonight is my dining room, and I had all these boxes that were delivered from my work, and so I'm just moving these over into my office and then cleaning off the table, trying to decide how to make things work in this room, but I do like to decorate my hutch a bit, so I'm giving that a good dust and organizing things in here to add some of my other Halloween lights and decorations. I'm putting my yogi skeletons that I got from Trader Joe's in with some pumpkin candles on this lamb's ear garland that I already had on the table to finish out what I have, and I'm keeping a couple other pieces to put upstairs. I usually like to keep it pretty light with my decorations, one, because I've had storage issues in the past, and I'm sure as time goes on I'll continue to collect things here and there, but I was maxed out on my Halloween budget at this time, so I'm just putting the little touches where I can. This about closes it out for this room, and I bought the painting of La Catrina from TJ Maxx for I think only $25, and the artist's name is Frankie Castle, and there were some other versions of this painting here, but I looked up his Instagram and I am obsessed with his artwork, you guys, so this one is actually probably going to stay up year round. On to the next day, I just wanted to get the upstairs clean, so I'm starting in my bedroom by making the bed and dusting the furniture, and we were actually getting ready to go out of town. We went to Disneyland for a couple days to celebrate my husband's birthday and my daughter's birthday, and so I really just wanted to come home to a nice clean house and not worry about getting things back in order while also trying to get back into the school and work routine. found this stacked skull light at TJ Maxx for $60, and I especially love it because it's indoor-outdoor, so we can move it outside when we're ready. And then I just added this pumpkin light from Hobby Lobby in the hallway, and I put the garland here since I couldn't find another spot for it. I don't love it, but it works for now. And I just put some candy corn lights up in the kids' room. That's it for upstairs. And then downstairs, my husband was getting ready to change out this light fixture we had. We had the original light from like the 80s, and you could definitely tell it dated the house. And so my husband got this other light fixture for free from a client, so we just decided to switch it out and give this space a more modern look. And I especially like how sleek it looks, and it's going to make a huge difference when we continue working on this space. Last thing on my list was to wash these new containers I got. I got these from Amazon, and I just needed to organize some stuff from my pantry. And if you were here a couple of videos ago listening to me go on and on about how having pretty matching storage is not a necessity, the universe decided to come and play a joke on me when I went to go use some corn flour. I was making gorditas, and I discovered some weevils in the pantry, which I had just cleaned out the pantry like 2 months ago, so thankfully there wasn't like a huge infestation. And thankfully my mother-in-law was in town, and so she helped me clean everything out and throw some things away since I was getting ready for a huge work event. So I'm so thankful to her for helping me. But I just needed to get some of my pantry staples into these containers to keep them safe for long-term storage. And that's just going to do it for this video today. So if you made it this far, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!